Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you a video on sansaveria plants. Actually, I am so interested in this plant, sansaveria. I grow them and I collect different varieties of sansaveria plants as a hobby. So, in this video, I am sharing with you reporting of some Sansevieria plants, and also at the end of the video, there is a beautiful, actually amazing part, or actually amazing a video clip on Sansevieria plants. Let's let's join with my video and join with me until the video ends. Okay, then this is my newly received sansevieria plant. It is variegated one, and I'm going to report them. Today in this video, I am reporting two sansevieria plants. The first one is this is variegated one, and actually I am so interested in these plants because it has two colors, green and yellow. I like it. Normally I use as a media the soil and fertilizer as cocoa pits and some soil from the our garden. Actually their surface one I used with me. So I use this pot for my reporting ideas. And because these plants need good media to drain water from the pot, and they prefer dry zone at their pot because with heavy moisture it makes fungal infections in these plants. So we have to consider about it when we use our soil media and when we preparing the soil for the plantation. Mm, and the second one is it is a bat variety. Actually I brought these plants from an online page. Actually I bought and then they sent me via courier service, and it's the video about that was at my playlist. You can watch it. And when considering about this plant, this one is known as bat sansaveria, and the owner told me it's take much longer time to grow the plant because it is some rare one. And that's all. Actually I use this used pot to repot them, and the normal media I frequently use for this plant. Then I will show you a special thing. Actually, these Sansevieria plants have nice leaves, and they are variegated, and also I want to say you that they give beautiful flowers. Today I visited my aunt place, and actually she has a nice Sansevieria collection with her, and also she has beautiful Sansevieria plant with their flowers. See how nice these Sansevieria flowers are. She has planted this Sansevieria plant at a big pot, and also it is filled with sansaveria plants, and from those plants they have given such a nice flowers to us. There's a stem and which rises from the sansaveria plant and goes upward. It height nearly 10 to more than 30 centimeters, and give small flower buds. With these small flower buds, with time, they bloomed and they give tiny, beautiful white flowers. It is filled with flowers with the time. Nearly 1 to 2 weeks, these flowers remained at this stem, and with time, the petals are fallen, and the flower stem get dry. And I saw another video which I have captured, and I wish to upload it in future. It gives some small fruits actually. I don't know whether these small nuts or fruits which can planted, and they will give new plants, but they produce some small, uh, it means nuts from these stems. And actually I think you all guys enjoyed my video, and join with my new videos, subscribe my channel.